Welcome back. So in the previous video we have created an enterprise application named Github, and let's go ahead and see where it is. So if you go to the enterprise applications, these are the two applications that has been created. So this is the old one, however. So we have created the GitHub Enterprise Cloud. So if you want to select specific application, you can filter it out from here. So you can see we have already filtered it out. So if I remove this, and so you can see right now we have all the applications. So right now I just wanted to, let's say, filter application type, and you can select the operator as well. And coming to the value, since we are dealing with the enterprise applications, you can click enterprise applications, or if it is Microsoft, you can click Microsoft or managed identity and so on. So based on that, you can select accordingly. So in this case, I'll be selecting enterprise application, since we are dealing with enterprise applications. So you can just add it, and so let's add created on, and let's give a value as last 7 days and click apply. So you can see these are the ones which have been created recently in the last 7 days. So you can see this is the one that we have created. So you can see here, yeah, this is the one that we have created. So click this enterprise application. So this is the one that we have created, and right now we have to give access to the users. So who can assign the roles? So there are 3 different roles: the global administrator, the cloud application administrator, or owner of the service principal. So these people can assign the roles. So if you go to the users and groups, so click that. So right now there is no user found here. So you can see here, assign users and groups to app roles for application here to create app roles for this application. So we have to add the users here. So let's click that. So you can see we have users and groups. So right now there is none selected. So let's select a few users who can have this access. So let me click this. So you can see these are the people in our directory. So you can select the users, or specifically you can select the groups. So you can create a group called, let's say, enterprise GitHub access, and you can add the users who need access to this GitHub, and then you can add them here so that they can have the proper access. So let's click a group, and we can also click a user here, and you can select it. So when you assign a group to an application, only users directed in the group will have access. The assignment does not to the nested groups. So this is what they said. Let's assign it, and it will be done for you. So you can see we have access to these users, and as well as a user called Arun. So the people who are inside this group will also have the access. So right now there is no users. I think I have removed it. So you have to just add the users who can have this access. So this is how you can assign the users to an app. So this is how simple it is. I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. And this is the end of lab 20, which is implement access management for the applications. So if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. Thank you.